Introducing FieldEdge Flat Rate Mobile, an easy-to-use work order and quoting system that integrates with the features you have come to know and love, as well as simplifies the work order process from creation to completion, allowing for fewer errors and an easy flow of information from office to field to customer. FieldEdge Flat Rate Mobile is accessible via desktop as well as your mobile devices. When you log into the home page as an account admin, you will see multiple tabs located on the left side of the screen. This is where you will navigate to all the features most important to you. Account information is where you find your work orders, existing balances, subscriptions, payment methods, company info, and manager add-ons. This is also where you can manage users and easily control your employees' access. Pricing rules is where you'll set up hourly rates, part markups, as well as any taxes that need to be included. Below that, you will see the custom items. This is where you can set up billable items, service fees, agreements, discounts, installs, quotes, tune-ups, repairs, and equipment. Next, work order workflow. When you're ready to create a new work order, select the Create Work Order button. This will take you directly to the work order where you can add the customer's information. If it's an existing customer or if it's a customer whose information may already be in your QuickBooks database, their name will appear once you begin typing. Simply select the customer's name and the remaining information will auto-populate. A great tool for existing customers is the Glance Back feature. This will display the 5 previous work orders for this customer. Once the customer's information is complete, you can enter the reason for the call, add the date and time this service has been scheduled with the customer, and assign the work order to a specific technician. A work order number will then be created, and a timestamp will be added to the work order. Next, select your fees and hourly rate, as well as any taxes or apply discounts based on any service agreement they may have. You can also add any notes that may apply to this specific work order, which can be internal, hidden from the customer, or external, displayed for the customer to see, or both. Finally, select Save and your work order will be created. It will also be added to your calendar according to the technician it was assigned to. Now let's talk about the quoting process. Once you are ready to quote a customer for a requested repair, simply select the Repair button located on the left on the screen. This takes you into our fully managed database of over 30,000 repairs. From here, you can select from a list of populated items within our database, or create a custom repair. Just enter a keyword and all instances of this item will appear. You can always refine the search if you don't find exactly what you're looking for. After the item has been selected, this window will appear. This allows you to see exactly how much time and labor is charged for this service based on current industry standards. Quick note, this function is only visible to your company's admins and not available to technicians. From here, you'll see a list of all parts needed for the repair, the quantity of these parts, and the unit costs associated with these parts. Any markups you have created will be applied once they have been added to the work order. The FieldEdge flat rate price for this service will also appear. This will include any parts, part markups, labor, or price associated with the work order. Since the cost of the work order is included in the flat rate price, the customer essentially pays you back for the work order you've purchased through FieldEdge. The customer will receive the newly created quote via an email and have the option to select yes or no to the repair fee. Finally, let's talk about payments. With our integrated payment solutions, your customers can pay by either check or card directly through the app before the work even begins. The customer can also see how much they could save by signing up for a service agreement. Once the technician unlocks the device using the code word, the work order can be moved from new to started and will then be color-coded, allowing quick and easy visuals of the job. After the work order is marked complete, it will then sync to QuickBooks. Select the Dropbox icon to add any photos from the job, and if needed, print out the invoice. You can also email a copy of this invoice to the customer, and if you have integrated payments, it will provide the customer with an option to pay directly within the email. An additional handy add-on feature is the Part Cart. This allows you to keep a running tally of your inventory and provides you with an up-to-date list of parts that need to be replaced. This list will live in our system, so whenever it's time to order more parts, you can easily forward it to your distributor. Once the job is paid, mark it as Paid Work Order and archive the job by selecting Archive Work Order. This removes it from any active work order lists. All work orders completed in the system will be housed under the Archived Work Orders tab on the home page and never expire. Well, that's kind of it. As you can see, there are many ways FieldEdge Flat Rate Mobile can help you and your business stay competitive and, best of all, enhance profitability. We hope you take full advantage of FieldEdge Flat Rate Mobile, which leads to greater efficiency from the office to the field.